Now that we've established the total product model and how to figure out the total product, we're going to look at the marginal product aspect of this factor product model. So marginal product is the additional output associated with a 1 unit increase in the variable input. So if we increase our input by 1 unit, what is the additional amount of output that we're going to get out of it? That is the marginal product. Well, whenever we get into marginal product, we have 3 different areas. We have the increasing marginal returns, the decreasing marginal returns, and then the negative marginal returns. And they actually go through in that order. So the increasing marginal returns is when output increases at an increasing rate. That's whenever our marginal product is increasing. As we add more units of input, the actual output actually increases at an increasing rate. Then the next segment is the decreasing marginal returns. For the decreasing marginal returns, what we find is as we add more units, total output is increasing still, but it's increasing at a decreasing rate, meaning that each additional unit is not having as large of an impact as before. Then we also get this negative marginal returns. This is whenever output actually decreases. So if we bring it back to that fertilizer example, at fertilizer example, we say that output actually decreases if we add too much fertilizer. At too much fertilizer, it burns the plant and the output actually decreases. So that all leads to the law of diminishing marginal utility. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that as equal increments of a variable input is added to a fixed input, as we add more variable inputs per fixed input basis, a decrease in the rate of the increase in the total product will occur. Basically what that means is as we add more variable inputs, eventually you're going to hit a point where the total product will still increase, but increases at a decreasing rate. The law of diminishing marginal returns basically states that if you can keep adding more inputs and total product may increase, but you're not going to have the same impact off of that each additional input, that each additional variable input as you did in the beginning.